Hello guys, welcome to our basic software channel. We are here to learn how the basic tools of PPT works. Today we are going to learn about how the paragraph alignment works, how to use quick style, and how the shape effect works. For example, I just taken an example of GIS definition to show you how the paragraph alignment works. First, select the paragraph. Now click on the line spacing option above. Choose the option which you want, and if it's not convenient about the options, so choose a line spacing option where you can edit the spacing according to your needs. Now heading over to the alignment part, there are four options: align to left, align to right, align to center, and align your text eventually between the margin. Alignment between margin is always used to make your paragraph in a clean and representing manner. Now there is an option of align text in which it shows three options: top, middle, bottom, and for more option you can click more options. As is shown in the screen, the effect of top, middle and bottom. You can also insert smart art from here too. Now heading over to the quick style. There are a lot of options in quick style which make your presentation more effective. Make sure while choosing a dark color, your font must be in a light. Now next one is shape effect. Here are a lot of options similar to the text effects, shadows, reflection, glows, soft edge, etc. So today we have done with line of spacing, align text, quick style and shape effect. Thank you for watching. For more updates regarding software, stay tuned with basic software.